Hi guys, today on the Yellow Jeep channel we're back and I'm going to install this. Let's check it out. Alright, what we got here is a pair of grab bars that are pretty nifty, and they come in a pair, one for each side, and what they do is they actually install right up here on a couple bolts up there. Gives you a real nice hand point right here as you're climbing into the vehicle or holding on when you're climbing over obstacles. So let's go ahead and get them installed and see how they look. Alright, so our basic premise here is to remove that bolt and that bolt, and then we're just going to drop the bar on here and put those back on. I got to fiddle with this wire a little bit, so let's get that figured out and scope it out. Okay, the tools you're going to need, you're going to definitely need a T40 star bit here and your socket, and then I've also got a Phillips head and a flat head here just in case. I got to play with the plastic flashing around it just in case, and we'll have that ready to go. Alright, so the screws are out, and they're the ones that hold the roll bar to the windshield. So now we'll go ahead and we'll grab our bar here. I think I'm going to try to install mine somewhat like that, probably so I don't have to mess with that cord too much. And we'll put the bolts back in, and then I think we're good. Alright, so a total of 4 bolts, and we've got these great grab handles here from GrabBar USA, grabbarsusa.com. I'll put the link in the notes below, but these things are solid, pull the whole Jeep. Great anchor point to hang on to when you're climbing in and out of your vehicle or when you're climbing on the rocks. So hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see if we can get some more videos going soon. Thanks everybody.